Are you drowning in project complexity? Struggling to connect tasks and visualize your efforts? Introducing Sub-Swimlanes, the ultimate solution for structured project management and office timeline. This innovative feature transforms chaos into clarity, helping you manage intricate projects effortlessly. Imagine breaking down your project into organized, visually appealing timelines. Sub-Swimlanes allow you to group related tasks, revealing clear hierarchies and connections. With this tool, you'll maintain perfect context at every level. What sets Sub-Swimlanes apart? They adapt to your evolving projects, expand with new details, and keep everything clean and professional. No more fragmented views. Ready to elevate your project planning? Try Sub-Swimlanes and Office Timeline for free today and see the difference.